The finishing of your jewelry is one of the most important parts of creating jewelry. And today we are going to learn how to create clasps or hooks, whichever way you want to call them. So in that case, we are going to be using wire. In this case, I'm using electrical gauge 1.5 mm copper wire, flat nose pliers, round nose pliers, and a side cutter. So to begin with, let's start by straightening out our wire. Then we are going to cut around 6 centimeters and 10 centimeters of wire. So using your 6 centimeters of wire, ensure that the end is flattened out by cutting it out with your flat side cutter. And then using your round nose pliers, using the smallest side, so just give it a half turn, then return it to the top, give it another half turn. Okay, so you've created a very small loop on that end, and then we are going to straighten it out further, that we have a perfectly looking wire. Then, still using your round nose pliers, you're going to place it around 1 centimeters from the loop, and then now in this time now we are placing it on the biggest part of our round nose pliers, and then turn it on the other end until it touches the loop. So now you have a piece that looks like that. Okay, and then right at the end we are going to create another loop. So place your wire at the center of your round nose pliers, then turn this all the way to the other end like that. Then now we're just going to trim that end off. Like that. Then using your flat nose pliers, just straighten it out. Like that. So there you have it. Now we've created our hook, and now we are going to create the loop that attaches to it. So for us to create the loop, we're going to take our 10 centimeters wire, and now we place it right at the end of the tool. Then turn one side of the wire and turn the other side so that they interlock at the back like that. Then now we are going to use our flat nose pliers and hold that firmly, and now we are going to turn this round, turn it round twice like that. Then using your side cutter, we are going to trim that part off like that. Use your flat nose pliers just to press that in like that. Okay, then the next step, now you're going to cut around 1 centimeter from the coil like that. Then using your round nose pliers, place it right at the end like that. Then we're going to give it a half turn, bring it to the top, then give it another half turn so that you combine that part. And now we have our loop. Using our hook and our loop, this will be the finishing of a necklace, a bracelet, an anklet, or any other piece of jewelry that you will think of creating. And that's how you create a clasp in very easy steps. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave a like, share with your friends, and until next time, thank you.